quickly, I realized that we're learning things that are beyond our grade level. I skipped math class maybe 43 times.
How a child's brain learns is how we started modeling computer learning.
Is this what we're trying to do?
Pattern recognition, ability to discern.
But expertise development isn't just a skill, it's an attitude of this curiosity, commitment, and the drive.
You are watching my AI-generated avatar. Do some things look a little odd?
How can we pull out information and then at the same time not keep all this personal private information?
The goal of this activity is very simple. Fill out missing spaces on your connections map.
The most important thing and the only thing that really is important when it comes down to it is relationships. Build them strongly. Build them with your students, build them with your parents, build them with each other. Remember that this is what it all comes down to. Our relationships at the end.